Introduction to Google Analytics Filters Guide. Google Analytics filters are a powerful tool that helps you manage and analyze your website data more efficiently. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of creating and applying filters to your Google Analytics account. Understanding Google Analytics filters. Google Analytics filters allow you to customize your data by including or excluding specific traffic sources, website pages, or user behaviors. There are two main types of filters in Google Analytics: include filters and exclude filters. Include filters allow you to specify the data you want to keep, while exclude filters allow you to remove unwanted data from your reports. Creating a filter in Google Analytics. To create a filter in Google Analytics, log in to your account and navigate to the admin section. Click on the Filters option and then click on the New Filter button. Choose the type of filter you want to create and enter the filter name and details. You can choose from a variety of filter types, including hostname filter, IP address filter, and user agent filter. Applying filters to your data. Once you have created a filter, you can apply it to a specific view in your Google Analytics account. A view is a subset of your website data, and you can have multiple views for different sections of your website. To apply a filter to a view, navigate to the admin section and click on the View Settings option. Then click on the Filters option and select the filter you want to apply. Best practices for using Google Analytics filters. When using Google Analytics filters, it is essential to test them before applying them to your live data. You can test filters using the Verify option in the filter settings. This option allows you to see how the filter will affect your data without actually applying it. It is also crucial to document your filters and keep track of any changes you make to your filter settings. Common use cases for Google Analytics filters. Google Analytics filters have a variety of use cases, including excluding internal traffic from your reports, filtering out spam traffic, and tracking specific user behaviors. For example, you can use a filter to exclude traffic from your company IP address or to track traffic from a specific marketing campaign. Conclusion. Google Analytics filters are a powerful tool that helps you customize and analyze your website data more efficiently. By understanding how to create and apply filters, you can gain deeper insights into your website traffic and make data-driven decisions to improve your online presence. Remember to test and document your filters and keep track of any changes you make to your filter settings to ensure accurate and reliable data analysis.